Everyone, welcome to this course on Essential of Object-Oriented Design and Programming. In this presentation, we are going to discuss Standard Template Library, that is STL. It is the last module in this course. Module has the following syllabus. First start with Introduction to STL, then Sequential Container. It means it will organize the data in the linear order. We will discuss some of the concept, for example, vector, list, DQ, array, and STL style. Then followed by, we are going to discuss associative container. It will organize the data in the proper order based on the key. For example, some other concept, map, multi-map. Then followed by, we are going to discuss iterator. And finally, we are going to discuss algorithm. It performs the operation on the data which is stored on the container. It has more number of inbuilt function is there. We are going to discuss only few important inbuilt function. For example, find, count, sort, search, merge, for each, and transform. We'll discuss one by one. First start with the introduction to STL. What is a STL? STL is a powerful library in C++ that provide ready-made classes and function that will help the programmer to build the program easier and faster. It is a common programming data structure and functions such as list, stack, array, and etc. It is a library of containers, classes, algorithm, and iterator. What are the main component of STL? Container. What is a container? Which store the data, for example, vector, list, stack. And next one is algorithm. So what is the role of the algorithm? It performs the operation on the data which is stored in the container. And next one is the iterators. It will access the elements in the container. Next, function object. It is an object that act like functions. And next one is the STL container. What is the STL container? It is a container or container classes or generic class template. It is used to store and manage the collection of object or data. What are the different type of STL container? There are four important topics. First one is sequential container. It means which will store the data in linear sequence. For example, vector, list, DQ, array, and forward list. And next one is associative container. It means store the data in sorted order based on the key. For example, set, multiset, map, and multimap. And next one, unordered associative container. It will store the data using hashing, but there is no order. So here, for example, unordered set, unordered multiset. And next one is unordered map, and next one is unordered multimap. Finally, we are going to discuss container adapter. These are modified version of existing container. For example, stack, queue, and priority queue. So these are the important type of the container. We will discuss one by one in the next presentation. Thank you.